I thought it was awesome.
It's amazing.
I love the Christmas Carol.
It was a really nice play. It had like music, songs, and stuff.
I really liked the stage and the set. I thought it was a really cool rendition, and the fact that you've got all of the moving parts.
Especially when the turntable was there when it was spinning around.
My favorite part's always the Christmas payoff and looking back at what his life was like.
My favorite part was when the snow came in.
The fake snow made me feel like I was in a Hallmark movie.
Yeah, definitely.
I really like all the dancing scenes. They're uplifting and fun.
I personally like the Ghost of Christmas Present. He's so jolly.
My favorite part was when they sing, "Oh, we wish you Christmas."
Pay attention to every little detail because every little detail has something extraordinary in it.
We're very fortunate in Milwaukee to have such a wonderful arts community, and I think supporting them is a wonderful thing.
And we've been going to the show now for 24 years.
It's really nice to see the evolution throughout the years.
So I like it because it gets you in the holiday spirit. It really makes you think of your family and appreciating life.
Merry Christmas, everybody.